With Vanlife outdoor camping, we bring along many things. Often, we cannot find the things, especially when we cook. A mess is unavoidable. Just like our home kitchen, can we classify our kitchen supplies and bring order into Vanlife? Convenient to find the item in need and easy to clean up. In order to spice up the taste buds during the travels, I think a variety of seasonings is necessary. In order to maximize the space, I choose the same-sized spice jar. It can be easily purchased in a supermarket and is convenient for future replenishment. After having the idea, I started to design the spice rack. Calculate the required length and quantity of each section according to the design drawing. Next step is the construction. First, I went to the timber shop and bought some cypress wood planks. And then I measured the size according to the design drawing and cut the plank. Then, sand the board. Mark out the attachment points according to the design drawing. Drill holes where the rope is to be tied. Fix it with hot glue gun. Fix nails into wood to enhance stability. Nail the backplane and it's almost complete. However, the spice jar is not easy to remove after putting it in. And when the rack is shaken, the jar will fall out. Pull out the band for easy removal of the spice jar. Measure and cut the band. Process the band fringe. Measure and cut the elastic rope to secure the spice jar. Attach the band. And fixed elastic rope. This solves the problem of difficult removal and loose items falling out. However, at the top shelf, things would still fall out easily. So I thought that I could make a small drawer. Making drawstrings for small drawers. This small compartment stores some dried chili or garlic, etc. Next up, after designing the spice rack, is a rack that can store dishes and kitchenware. The design of the kitchen rack is based on the IKEA plate size. Tempered glass material, with porcelain appearance and texture, yet cheap. The current design accommodates 2 sets of tableware, as well as the necessary utensils and cutting boards. Remove the spice rack and the space between the rice pot. That leaves us about 14 centimeters. The height is about 26 centimeters, easy to take out the plate. Use wooden boards as a space between the 2 grids. Select the mesh according to the size of OTTAS and the size of the box. Get the tools you need, and you can start production. Start construction according to the drawn sketch. Bend the mesh first. Use sturdy, tabled legs as tools for bending. Then use a mallet to adjust and obtain the width that's suitable for a bowl. After the 2 mesh pieces are bent, cut grooves into the wooden strip and to connect the 2 mesh pieces. Fix with cable ties. After finishing, you can put all the tableware in. In this way, a kitchen rack can be made quickly and easy to clean. Spice rack, kitchen utensil rack, rice, oil, flour go into the box. I found some electric cooker recipes that does not require fire stove. Store the fresh ingredients in the thermal bag. This time I use a 24V electric cooker. Take out my ingredients and install the sink. Wash the rice first. 1½ cup of rice is enough for 2 people. Add a little bit of salad oil into the electric pot, then pour the rice in and add adequate amount of water. Add the pumpkin. Then place the ground meat into the steaming pan. Cut the garlic and place it on the ground meat. Pour in salt, pepper, and star anise. Finally, remove the seeds and cut the green pepper into small pieces. Add some oil and you can steam it in the electric pot. Everything from cooking to washing dishes can be done in the car. Dinner is ready in 35 minutes. Cook for 30 minutes, then open the rice pot after 3 or 4 minutes. The dishes look delicious. Due to the limited space in the car, the objects should be placed densely and compactly to save space. Put all seasonings compactly in the spice rack. Then put all the tableware into the homemade rack. Everything fits perfectly in a cubic storage box. Put items of the same category in the same box. Reduce search time and be more efficient. Visual management like a utility shelf. The compact storage layout brings any unreturned objects to your attention. Cover the lid to reduce dust, and the boxes in the car can be lined up or stacked to suit different functions and needs. For example, when you want to go to bed, simply put it away, the whole space becomes a bedroom. Doesn't feel like sleeping in the kitchen, and this also makes the space open and comfortable. The above is my design and concept of storing the kitchen in the box. If you find it interesting, you can also share it with others. Subscribe to my channel and support me as I share more van life designs with you.